This tutorial focuses on Esquire eLitigate video panel. eLitigate is an integrated, purpose-built deposition platform offered by Esquire Deposition Solutions. When you first join the proceeding, the video participants appear on the left side of the screen. eLitigate supports up to 50 video participants. The platform enables you to request who you would like to appear in the final video or just the witness. eLitigate positions your controls along the bottom of the video window. Moving from left to right, these controls include mute and unmute your microphone, turn your camera on and off, screen share to present videos and other files from your computer, on and off record status, sidebar room access, device settings used to change your microphone and camera, switch from computer audio to phone, the Leave Meeting button. If you need to switch access to deposition audio from your computer to your phone, first mute your microphone, then reduce your computer's volume. Next, click on the Use Phone for Audio to see a phone dial-in number and PIN, as well as the QR code. To access the session's audio by cell phone, position your mobile phone's camera over the QR code and scan it. Your phone will automatically connect to your eLitigate session. You can also dial the number and PIN displayed on the screen and follow the voice instructions. eLitigate displays the witness as a larger picture at the top. Other participants, including the taking attorney and the opposing counsel, can be independently pinned by each participant so that they also have a larger video display. Individual pinning will not affect the video recording. If you are not viewing an exhibit, you can close the exhibit panel to reveal the video gallery view. Click on the slider again to revert it to original size. To learn more, view the other eLitigate videos in this tutorial series.